What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to look at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Pretty much where we left off in yesterday's video and the videos prior, we were tracking a new discovery of a new potential breakout on a symmetrical triangle. For the most part, over the past couple of weeks, honestly, if not even a month, we've been tracking what appears to be a very, very, very big, long, and abrupt bull flag that was forming on specifically XRP. And as you guys can see in all the thumbnails we've done for a very long time now, there was a beautiful bull flag forming here, and we were waiting it out over 3 weeks now. You can see the constant times I've been drawing these bull flag formations here and the breakout opportunity that eventually we would have, but it did take, almost a month for that to happen as the consolidation led on. But you can see it consistently drawn in my thumbnail, showing you guys and referencing the fact that we were expecting this bull flag breakout. And then eventually, just last week or a few days ago, we actually saw that breakout form. And then I did make a video while I was on my cruise talking about the fact that because we already broke out, typically we start to consolidate back down after that, and that could cause even more potential bull run to the upside. We could see another technical indicator that could rally us to the upside here. And in yesterday's video, or the previous videos, we can go back 3 days, we pretty much confirmed. You could see the insane breakout right here. Not what I wanted to draw. The insane breakout right here on XRP, which was 3 days ago, the break to the upside. Then we discussed that an XRP is forming another bullish triangle, literally 3 days ago. So I gave you guys all the heads up of another potential break to the upside here, clearly showing the bull run to the upside here on XRP specifically. And as you guys can clearly tell on XRP, on the 4 hour, we have done just that and are continuing to rally even higher from the point of breakout right here. We are now up another 10% here. And from the absolute breakout from the bottom here, we are up a total of 35%, practically on the dot. Now finally catching up with the other major cryptocurrencies that have exploded, which is very, very, very good for the market and for us, as we've been waiting very patiently for XRP to catch up with the other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin. So finally it's happened. Finally we've caught up, and now it's time that we reap the benefits and figure out what's to come now for a lot of these cryptos like Ethereum, Bitcoin, the S&P. If we see rejection on these cryptos, it could cause things like, Ethereum and Bitcoin to correct, and potentially even XRP to dip downwards here. So we do have a lot to talk about in today's video. With that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, super quick. As you guys know, I do have a second channel where I've been kind of talking about money, finance, stuff like that. And now it's turning into me rebuilding cars that are my favorite here. And now it's time that I finally, after 1 month of waiting, figuring out, trying to bid on a car, I finally purchased one, and the video will be dropping today at 12 o'clock. So save the time, save the date. Video will be dropping today at noon. I'm very excited to show you guys this, and there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So if you have any interest or want to know what I've been up to in this bear market, make sure to check out my second channel, as it's literally just my name, Hayden Schreier, or you can find it down in the description below. Moving forward, though, we do have to talk about the recent events that have been taking place over these major cryptos. You can see top 10 cryptocurrencies markets are down 2.23%, except for one cryptocurrency, and that is XRP. As you guys know, if we literally watch my previous videos last week, every cryptocurrency besides XRP was up about 30%. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Dogecoin, Cardano, ADA, all these cryptos, Polkadot, were up 30%, except for XRP, and other markets have reversed. Now, XRP is up 28%, 30% on the week, and all the cryptocurrencies are down. So the markets are reversing. As we've discussed, that XRP seems to be trading entirely separate from the rest of the markets here, and entirely separate from, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the major blue chips, as well as the S&P 500. And it's been a great way to gauge and also give us some, very kind of variety in regards to when we can trade. It gives us other times to be buying in, which is very exciting here. So you can see, looking at XRP, this is pretty much what we've been tracking. If I jump to the daily, as you guys know, for a very long time, we were tracking a very large bull flag that pretty much started a while ago. The bull flag started January 23rd. We didn't notice it at that, at that time. Maybe we figured it out more in February. We've had all February into March of this bull flag forming here. We discussed at any point we break through this major resistance here, that's when we would buy in. We saw a major bull trap, reversed out of that. We got screwed. We got stopped out. Then we tried again, and this time it paid off, and we exploded to the upside here. We discussed to keep the stop losses tight. We did get stopped out, but we did discuss that there would be an opportunity that we would be seeing another formation here, which we were paying attention to, more aggressive to moderate trade, because we were looking at the 4 hour. hour. You can clearly see we created the higher low, lower high formation here, filling in the gap. We discussed if we would break through resistance or support, that would be an opportunity to buy in on the 4 hour. The only reason why it would be difficult is because we didn't have more than 2 points of confirmation. We only had 2 on the bottom for the uptrend. We only had 2 at the time on the resistance here, the downtrend here, except we started to form one a couple of days ago right here on the 26th, which was 2 days ago. That gave us opportunity. Okay, we have 3 confirmations. If we break through, then we know to buy in. Well, we did exactly that, and we rallied up to the upside here. So we were able to long this position immediately once we broke through it here. So that was very exciting. We were easily able to do so using BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. It's as easy as that. There was really no ifs, ands, and buts about making that easy and simple trade here. It was textbook. But basically how I do these trades is using BidFi to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you can possibly think of is offered on BidFi for XRP. That's the great part. You have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum. A lot of these other exchanges offer that. They offer it just like BidFi does. The only difference is BidFi offers XRP for leverage trading as well as spot trading, which not many exchanges offer. And that's why I've been using BidFi for like 2 years now. They've been nothing but beneficial, upgrading their website, fixing out any bugs, and now they're pretty solid all around. I haven't had any issues here. But for those that remember, a couple of months ago, we discussed that we would be buying in long on XRP the second we broke out of a major downtrend that we've been pretty much waddling in for a very long time. As we discussed, there are 3 points in these markets here. We have the bull market, the bear market, the consolidation. It's that simple. 3 points, 3 kind of semesters here that we kind of see here. The bull market, the bear market, the consolidation, and they are in phases. They last about a year and a quarter, or about a year and a quarter, or a year and a third. And in total, it combines to about 4 years entirety. So you can see here, we had the bull market, we had the bear market, now we have consolidation. Well, we've already had the bull market, now we've had the bear market. So we're looking for consolidation again, and then we'll see another bull market here. So that's what happens. As you guys can see, this is what happened in the previous bull market. Once we broke through the purple downtrend here, we saw the consolidation, and here we are doing the same exact thing. I can even make this a step further, or take it a step further for you guys to notice here. And if I take the, where is it? The bars pattern right here, and let's say I take the breakout point to where we are now, and I move that to where we broke out, you can see it's very similar to what is going on right now. You can see the original breakout. Now we're looking for the rally to the upside here, which is why I strongly believe we will be retesting very soon in a couple of weeks the moving average, as well as potentially up to 95 cents here, because it's already happened, and this is ideally what we're going to expect to see happen again. Somewhere inside the moving average will be retested, and why I believe possibly up to 95 cents as a more of an aggressive, optimistic, let's say, outlook to the upside here. But ideally, I strongly believe we will and are going to be retesting this moving average as we are doing today, if not in the next couple of days, and then we will be breaking inside of it. We discussed, simply put, and I'll keep repeating it because you guys remember, once we confirmed breakout on the weekly above major resistance, we closed at 38 cents. That's when we bought in, and since then, we are now doing pretty well. You can see if we jump to the, where is it? I want to grab this right here. I need to find it. Hold on. Why can't I find it now? Where's the percentage? Okay, here we go. The price range. Since 38 cents, we've managed to buy in, and we are currently up about 30% on our investment, which is easy peasy, lemon squeezy, that simple. From the buy-in opportunity at 38 cents, we called it. You can go back. I said the second we confirm closure above this, that's the buy-in. Look at the ending week on the 9th. I believe it was the 9th. You'll see, clear as day, we mentioned buying in at 38 cents with 0 leverage, just holding it. And since then, it's paid off very well, and I do believe we will be going higher as we pretty much hit the low point in the bull market here. However, there's a chance we could be heading down again. So it's not lost opportunity, as there one will come again. You can see here we did explode up and we do come back down. So there's a big chance that we will see that rally and then the correction yet again back down to the same point here. So you haven't missed all the opportunities yet, but there was one that definitely did come and has already set sail. So, just keep that in mind here. But moving forward and looking at these other cryptos, I'm still slightly bullish, although I'm not sure how much higher this is going to do our move without consolidating a little bit lower first. And as for Ethereum and Bitcoin, we're kind of waiting out these patterns here, kind of seeing how the S&P is going to react. Yesterday, we didn't really do much. We kind of just confirmed that this is a solid resistance. And as I've said before, we're pretty much looking at something like this. Basically, if we can close above this resistance here, we know we're going to be heading up higher. Vice versa, we break through support here, we know we're going to be dumping probably down to here. So it's that simple. We're kind of using this now as a descending triangle to gauge where the market's going to be moving to. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.